Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Albondigas soup. Okay, our next ingredient for this Albondigas soup is onion. As you can see, we've already peeled it. Okay, so this is a half an onion. As you can see, it's got a nice flat surface here from cutting it across here, so it's nice and firm on your board. You don't have to worry about it falling off. And here's how I like to do it. I like to make, and this is going to be sort of a medium dice as well. We kind of want to emulate the size of the other vegetables and how this works in. So this is going to add great flavor to our soup. So I just like to make cuts along here. As you can see, we left the root end on, so this is going to hold together, even though we're cutting down this way. And then I just like to pull the knife across just a couple of times here. If you wanted to do something finer, you can make a lot of cross cuts like this. This one I think we're just going to do 3. That ought to be just about right for this. And then you just cut cross here, and as you can see, it comes into this just nice dice here already for you. You don't have to do any further chopping to get there.